Hey, what's up everybody? We're here with another Dr. Squatch review, and today we're going to test out Maverick Musk. Let's open this up. Alright, there we go. Maverick Musk. Okay, this is a heavy grit soap, so it's exfoliating. We got fresh scents of amber, leather, and moss. This has, let's see, saponified oils, shea butter, horsetail extract, sand, brown iron oxide, kaolin clay, and sea salt in this. So let's open it up and test it out. Okay, we got a very dark brown there, like a leathery color, really nice. I don't know how well you can see that, but I like it. Very earthy, very natural and earthy. Mild. Definitely get the amber and the leather. Very nice. All right, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm going to try it out, and then I'll be back and I'll tell you what I think once I've used it. All right, I'm back and I'm freshly showered with Maverick Musk from Dr. Squatch. I have to say I really like the scent. You can really smell the leather in it. Would I buy it again? Yes. I would rate Maverick Musk a 4.2, 4.3 stars, 4.2 stars out of 5. I really liked it. Probably not as much as some of the Halloween scents. If you want to see that review, you can go back and look at that video. I have a review on those, which I really like. Those are some of my favorites, and I frequently buy those. But I liked it. Yes, I would buy it again. If you found this video at all helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because coming up soon I'm going to be posting a video on the Wolverine Adamantium Scrub, so be sure to check that out. All right, till next time.